Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English vocabulary quiz. Which one is a type of weather? Rain, tree, chair. Rain. What do you call the top of a mountain? Valley, peak, river, peak. What do you use to write on a blackboard? Chalk, marker, pencil. Chalk. What is the color of grass? Blue, green, yellow, green. What do you use to write in your notebook? Pencil, key, eraser, pencil. Which one is a type of bird? Elephant, eagle, raccoon. Eagle. What is the opposite of loud? Noisy, busy, quiet. Quiet. What do you use to drink water? Plate, cup, fork. Cup. Where do you go to swim? Pool, school, hospital. Pool. What do you use to unlock a door? Coin, key, paper. Key. Which one is a musical instrument? Lamp, flute, skateboard. Flute. Where do you go to see a doctor? Restaurant, hospital, park. Hospital. What do you use to write a message on your phone? Book, pen, keyboard. Keyboard. Which one is a type of fruit? Onion, grapes, radish. Grapes. What is the opposite of sad? Content, depressed, happy. Happy. Where do you go to buy vegetables and fruits? Pharmacy, grocery store, pet store. Grocery store. What color is a lime? Green, yellow, orange. Green. What do you use to clean your hands? Towel, soap, gloves. Soap. Which animal says quack? Dog, cat, duck. Duck. Which one is a type of insect? Fish, butterfly, sheep. Butterfly.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.